Until a few moments later, Lilly, GhOne presenter na Enra, blàst Samuel Ablakwa for issuing Ghana card or for issuing Ghana passport to the American streamer IshowSpeed, Wababe Pacho. I'm a Pacho crowd now say till Ghana for share with the Omun soon. Still, Omo egg can be edited. My man, the moon watch the wire, comment section. I Penyah broke media. That's why I say any demo. Over like video, no other my bonus car buttons, number click verification, conflicted updates, number to the wire and the mammy, comment section. So, not sure for any biashi. So, over about Chilo, Musa, IshowSpeed, Eba Ghana, Hanamo, and Yahan called by African, you know, Africa, yes, Obama Africa, a different history to the Westerners. Africa, you how are among forces who ye, especially the Western, how who say, ye here, yes, Sebi, Tibiaso, a whole lot of nonsense. How will you know? Or be changing the narrative. I say, to advantage, the tour in Africa, Hanamo, Ghana, to advantage. Emma, make what I make us say, Adia, why you know? I was Africa country be taking advantage. Now, or the marketing the tourist sites, the tourist attraction sites be our month with my power money so they know. Take advantage for marketing, but only Nigeria no, they were marketing their begging. Idea Nigeria, any idea money pa, yam ready. We are seeing no more parties, no more how to beg. Nigerian, you know. Normal. They were also promoting their culture of what? Begging. Don't insult Nigeria. Normal, because that is their way of life. That is their most tourist, attraction. If you can pay money, go visit Nigeria and go watch how people beg. They should capitalize on this. From there. Now see, you drive film because I see me more. Oh man, be home. Emma make I say Ghana no, we should take advantage of his store because millions of people, YouTube over 50 million subscribers, Facebook over 8 million followers, TikTok over 48 million followers, Instagram over 48 million followers, X and Snapchat over 4 million. Yes, onye nipekuma sao. Onye nipekuma. We should take advantage. I still don't get it. The supercar spectacle, who brought that idea? Why did this idea about that supercar spectacle? Why did they buy it? Oh, Bibia did you hear any Adi Obiba, Abe free promotion. Promote to culture. Take advantage. Tourism for moon take advantage. Moon promoting near my aunt Obako, Hamamat. Na mekra na Ghana ha. Na menim kwa say ye was share butter museum abet mako ami a massage your natural share butter atwetwe kama no trace na I never knew. Oba ekwan even say enye ewiase kwan even Ghana ha kra na oba ye no. Ama ye yanka say ye ti o manum. Ye wo mia bia say betimi kra akọ have a personal experience I betu ahoka. I betu ahoka. Etin no say take advantage. Independence Square na call ya didn't call now hold no for many hours, It was total waste of time. Supercars na day. 18 sa na okono na day showing off the cars na day. Then they bring Ghana. There. But Hamamat Honomono. You see, people are searching for Ghana because of that share butter museum. And yet you'll be also be supercars. No. What people are talking about is kurujenjen. Meaning said, if we were able to show many tourist sites and Ghana and we will make thousands of millions of dollars through tourism. But we misuse it. We bear the head muko. In America, for man show cars. Sana ya day. Show cars no. Then for so many a Bama Ghana. What do Ghana benefit from that? You benefited. What do you benefit? Come on, sometimes we don't. You can be a Mosiana, you tell me about Kobina. David, this is not about hate, but I think one more we should stop in here. We will be a yard also. Yeah, also. I never mean back organized that supercar spectacle, but it wasn't necessary. Here. And I can find a despite museum called Museum Lady. A fake tourist site here, obey to my in this one. But if I can't, no beer, you'll be at the car could fee. What does it bring? Nothing. It doesn't serve as a tourist attraction. Just rich people showing their cars, showing their luxury life. Then they bring Ghana. Nothing. But I can't go museum or museum no. It serves as tourist attraction to Ghana. And this is to advantage. oba na Hamamat now oba call you know me won say Hamamat abe make post o kire say Shebata Museum it is fully booked till 16th March 2025. You say why you mabe still amount for person mubuki both local Ghanaian, both Ghanaians and foreigners. People want to book, but Hamamat as a why ma. Just now no, I was going to take advantage of that. Now you be branches across the country. Region be a demand if one ever the most no. You be branches or we state and sponsor na can be branch ever ho. Na you find the and no cross say was 24-hour economy. You find the na you ntio muka na omu enya adwuma. It will generate revenue to the state. Oh, we should take advantage of this trend, capitalize on this, make money for the state. Just anka ye o take him only senka show speed be 2-3 days for Ghana hanu anka onko na Ghana no ye onko na ye through tourism ke benya sika. And say am no kan ya no emfa so bebre ye ne ba oba no e so ba ma Ghana it eno ana Ghana ba hwed no see there bi ade a show speed abaye no we be promote Ghana in a special way. Let's do something for it eno ana Ablakwa some Ogeda or foreign affairs minister and make it point out say Wodemaya following our discussion and subsequent confirmation of the irrefutable ties of IshowSpeed to Ghana, I am pleased to inform you and our compatriots that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has approved the issuance of a Ghanaian passport to IshowSpeed. Keep making our great nation Ghana and our beloved country, our beloved African continent proud. Ghana celebrates you both. You remain our wealthy ambassadors, and we are ever so delighted to granted you a diplomatic passport last year. Let's say, Obo would buy for sure would buy or ya dear or Barnabas. And what say because of that, no, I show because Abbas said, I show speed, no matter a Ghana ni, it is or no, or your Ghana ni. So no can say or Ghana dia. And also when you back to us, it man Ghana passport. I say, ye convincing say near obey to Abba Hanamo. And any day be able to Ghana Hanum a free promotion for Ghana. You got that? Any day be able to Ghana Hanum a free promotion. On this issue, no, Anna GH1 presenter no, we're now but obey now to the ever. Now, no, Anna media was attack a buyer, but in less than 24 hours of a patch.
Hi there, Lily. Good afternoon to you.
How are you? I'm good.
What's up with you?
I'm the lady in the trance, isn't it?
Yes.
Unfortunately. Anyway, thank you very much. So, good afternoon to you. So, this morning on GH Today, I shared an opinion on a decision by the Ghanaian government to issue you as YouTuber IshowSpeed with a Ghanaian passport. I concede, however, that some of my comments were overboard and unsavory, and that I sincerely apologize to the Minister for Foreign Affairs, Hon Ablakwa. As I apologize to viewers who were offended. Do have a good day.
It's still news from here on GH1 Television. Thank you so much, Lily Mohammed.
But still Ghana for see Debbie. I chop pen omunso. It's waiting somewhere. Still after an apology, omo air catch them.
Madam, I chop an idiom. Ghana for show. Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa me bompa as a monster at your penny. Hey, one at me a show a buffo, a do zampem pensona, or Casacra refuse out in national television and Crawford war and penny for near true for show. Now, why I said the old wolf, so as a new personal issue about a speed coming to Ghana. And mind you, and a Ghana and buy about 19 countries, African countries. In the other Ghana, the air by Yankwa, Atewakome, I will mean Fasuzano. I will tell national television, so Bomuke can somewhere or refuse. Now we are working and some way we are because you are sorry. So this 2026, and it won't bonny be a sorry be a new. And it won't bonny sorry be a we no go take up. I didn't say no all the time, sir.
You see, I've always told my friends that it's not so difficult to identify someone who is a shallow thinker. One thing you can use to see that is that when they are thinking, they just think about what they're going to get right now. They are not able to think about the future repercussions or the future benefits of whatever is being done right now. I'm very disappointed in GH1 for giving their platform to this journalist or presenter to do this.
Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa, you were somebody that we had high expectations of. You show the Ghanaian passport into the hands of somebody who is streaming, who is embarking on his own personal thing. Okay, they're coming to jump on our jollof, coming to jump on our Black Star Square. What has it done to our GDP? What has it added to our economy? Wode Maya has been putting Ghana on the map globally. Have you seen that he's gone to America and the Americans have shown him an American passport?
So this presenter expects that right after IshowSpeed streams Ghana, $10 million or $10 billion will come into Ghana's economy. You know, what she doesn't know is that for the ladies who did the courier share butter massage for IshowSpeed, just after that, they've been able to get bookings from now to 16th March. They've been in Ghana for all this while, and most of us have not heard of them. But just after IshowSpeed's streaming, they have been able to get bookings from now till 16th March. That can be said as a positive impact of IshowSpeed's visit. I'm not here to make it seem IshowSpeed is, a valuable asset or something so big for us or something. But definitely the streaming that he has done will have some benefits for the country. It's not necessarily going to come at once. Someone like the courier girls, they've gotten theirs now. Others will probably get theirs later because not everybody had the opportunity to stream it live. Others will go back and watch it later and all that. So for the journalists to say that it has not increased our GDP, it has not brought, she was expecting the stream that was done just like 1 or 2 days ago to increase our GDP or what? What kind of analogy was she making? It's so low. I don't understand why GH1 will give their platform to this person to say such things. Chale.
Abante we ba say Monday me can say say ni follow winning keke no as we say in Ghana on my money ni nara ebia ni say amamat eka say me well I am telling you for a fact and I am not shy about it na me ni mumposi e wo Nkuto museum. I never knew there was an Nkuto museum in Ghana. It took IshowSpeed to come from America to come and show me I'm in Ghana. Say you want to, and you're saying said day. And you're saying said day. Who am I, Anka way IshowSpeed that you obey your association with him. Senka impo winyaho. Etimiko bisan in Sembakumienu. If you've got an opportunity to ask him 1 or 2 questions, do you know how far your name would have gone? Because minim say we obia one dream do kakra inti nka wo benya asem bi asebe enya latafo de yom ko bisani bi. And if you sit there and you're talking about how you're disappointed in us and how you're disappointed in Okujeto, who nim say hey, tourism, do you know the budget? I become Sagani Yakase, we are putting up a strategic plan. I never turn Ghana and our tourist sites, all the tourists where are what's the rest of the world. Would you mind here? Ola, do you know how much it would have cost us? Do you know how much it would have cost us? And then this gentleman has come to Ola will cost us a lot.
When you're serious.
Now, partnering with people. Exactly, just to come and yes. So because CNN in future,
Dubai had to pay CNN to sell Dubai.
Uber says CNN in future Ghana, just one of our tourist sites in Pua. Do you know how much it will cost? And as a country, CPC, if a buying way, he has a plan, he has a target. The target is Obama, your tourism or minor befa bekrabestre. So obiti on us will holiday destination beer. Already Ghana has said we are known for the peace. We are known for the love that lives here. It imagines if you do way more like a canwa. Ablakwa already December ya born here but then what that just a massa way is worth paying millions for.
Okay.
And to send Central Lily come again.
Okay, so come again when you're on top of her.
All right, guys. So I saw a video of a lady, a GH1 lady, ranting about IshowSpeed's visit to Ghana and why it was unnecessary for us to have, for Ghana to have given him a passport or a citizenship. But I think because she generalized and said Ghanaians are not serious for that move, I think it makes people, someone like me, want to respond, and then maybe some education would help her. So for starters, you see, if you put IshowSpeed's following together, his subscribers alone on YouTube, alone together, it is bigger than the population of Ghana. He has over 50 million subscribers, and Ghana's population is less than 35 million. When you put all the media houses in Ghana together, if they are all doing their peak programs at the same time and they are reaching out to the people of Ghana, even at our peak, we are nowhere close. Today I checked the video and it is over 4 million views. For if you don't know what the gentleman has done for Ghana, Ghanaians would have paid. You see, just a few years ago, we were paying millions of dollars to advertise on CNN. This young man has come to our country to freely advertise Ghana's tourist sites. And beyond, he didn't come to advertise tourist sites. He came to sell an experience of what Ghana is and what Ghana has to offer to the world. For us, for free, to the rest of the world. In the past, decades ago, people have perceived Africa as a poor country, a poor continent, and things coming here are unworthy and etc. And here is scary, no technology, people cannot invest here, cannot work here. But he has come to stream live in Ghana for hours. Within 48 hours has done things that decades of campaigns has not been able to do. He is harvesting the next generation of millionaires, billionaires, investors, the Gen Zs, for us for free. So if you ask the question, what has he added to the GDP or the GDP of the country? This is what he has done for us. He has harvested the next generation of investors, the next generation of tourists, the next generation of politicians to fall in love with Ghana. Let's talk about the Independence Square. He went to do a flip on the Independence Star, in front of the Independence Star at the Independence Square. Do you know what conversation he has started about Pan-Africanism, about the spirit and what Dr. Kwame Nkrumah stood for, just by doing that thing? Do you know visiting? You see, if you are a media person, a journalist, and you want to do a rant like this, it is always prudent and wise that you do thorough, deep research about the impact. If you're going to question impact, do a thorough research about the impact. If you're going to insult a strategic minister who thinks that this is a good opportunity, you see, what is what the West does. If they see that there's a talented person in our country and this person's skill we need to harvest, they automatically help you get naturalized or become a citizen of the country. So we have a lot of Africans playing for Europe. That's naturalizing. We have gotten somebody who tells us that 50% of himself is from Ghana. He's a 50% Ghanaian. Now this guy is an ambassador, a free person. He's an institution when it comes to the attention economy, the new gold. So ignorance once again. TV is dying, if you don't know. Radio is dying. The space you are occupying is dying. The new place is where this guy belongs, and he is an institution. The whole I don't want to do this because GH1, I have friends there. Bolare is a friend. Nanaya is a friend. Santok is a friend. Santok I know has, but the truth must be told. If you are asking for knowledge and understanding, then we have to answer these questions. He is an institution when it comes to the attention economy, which is the gold, the new gold of the future. This guy is the king there. And he has come to our country and he says, this is his country. And to bait him, he's advertising for us for free. And to bait him, we choose to give him a passport. Anytime this guy raises the passport to his subscribers, his following, he is indirectly telling his people that the place to go is Ghana. The place to have fun is Ghana. The place to have an experience is Ghana. And you think this is useless in your mind. You think this is a useless cause. And you talk about Wodimaya. How is Wodimaya selling America for America to give him a passport? So, even in your analysis, incoherent. Like, I say, you are speaking with emotions without fully appreciating the wisdom in what is happening. I expect more from a journalist of your stature on a platform such as GH1, that you do some research. Ask, ever since the guy did his streaming, how many people have searched for Ghana? What has been the movement of traffic on the internet? There are receipts for these things, so you can search. You can let your producer search for you. Nipa Sena search it ever since the guy did his streaming. How impactful has it been? What are the impacts we would reap going forward? Look, this is an opportunity for businessmen to capitalize on what he has done. Now people are craving the experiences he sold, so people want to come for massage. So Ghana can just easily capitalize on this and open different joints. Every waterfall in every region that we have can have a massage parlor. Somebody can just go and invest in Hamamat's shea butter museum and then replicate it across the region. These are amazing business opportunities that this guy has done for us for free. Even the revenues he generated from the streams, he says he's going to redonate to causes within these countries he's visited. And your problem is that he's received a passport. Like what kind of thinking? Like how low can we think? And we are rather thinking we are very intelligent and smart, and we are critiquing a strategic minister who has seen this opportunity and chooses to use it to corner the guy so that the guy will go further and market Ghana in spite of all the African countries he's visited. This is the country that has given him a passport. So when he goes, it is Ghana. Already he's declared he's a Ghanaian, partially. The people around him, most of them are Ghanaians. Then he has a Ghanaian passport. Before he came to Ghana, he was moving to places saying he's a Ghanaian. Anybody he meets, he says, "Oh, I'm a Ghanaian," and he says, "Oh, my father, my uncle is a king." He's been telling those jokes already. Now, this is an opportunity for us to cement this, to use an ambassador like IshowSpeed to market ourselves to the diasporans. You see, the year of return marketed us to some specific diasporans who could invest. But this guy has gone further, and he did it in record time of streaming. A short time made this magnificent impact. And we are not applauding the organizers and the strategic thinkers of this. We are criticizing. And we are not criticizing with intellectual arguments and facts. We are being emotional. Somebody talked about, I heard somebody also on social media talk about the cars. People thought that we were poor and we are beggars. Now this guy comes along and then they display in record time, show the rest of the world some cars that are here. Whether you like it or not, it gives a different mindset about who we are as a people. That people in Ghana drive these cars. There are people in Ghana, they know themselves that years and decades of work will not give them. Some of the people watching live stream will know that they can never have or touch these cars. But there are people in this Ghana who have them. There are people, Ghana could stream live. We have 5G. That means they can do business here, live here, and work in the rest serve their to the rest of the world. And we are not applauding Honorable Hon Ablakwa. We are insulting his intelligence because we have platform. This is a shame. This surprising shame to anyone who has this myopic thinking. This is a shame and unfortunate. I remind you that let's put Ghana first. Not our interests, not our agendas.
Comment section. I Penyah Block Media.